Today is April 5th, the weekend, and I'm going to review as to what happened to gold on Friday and what is the likely path for gold in the next coming days. Gold lost over 2%, but silver lost 6% in an otherwise a free falling market that has not seen this brutal selling for quite a while. This selling, if you look at it, Friday had a good solid selling tail, a lower point of control and lower value area. This means selling had some teeth to it. In a strong bull market, it is also important that you fill the gaps. So this rally had this gap filled and this gap was also filled, and once the gap was filled it reversed and went back. It's too early to say if the selling will continue, but at least this keeps the rally, the gaps filled is healthy. People assign a lot of reasons why gold has sold off, but the real reason is traders who are trading gold had a good solid profit in their positions. Friday, when the market was falling, a lot of traders are on margins. Margins means borrowing to pay for stocks, and that is a very common trading system. But however, on a Friday afternoon, when the total equity starts going down, the broker calls them to either they have to refill the money or they have to sell some positions to avoid a forced liquidation by brokers. So if I am a trader and I see there's a good profit in gold, but I am losing in NVDA and there is a margin call, so what I'll do is, first thing is I'll start selling a little bit of gold, take that money and cover that losses. So this becomes a vicious cycle where they look at all the winners and they try to liquidate and pay for it. That is the most likely explanation for gold's drop on Friday. But if you look at it, still gold has a lot of gap. There's a gap here around 255, and there is a gap somewhere here around 275. These gaps, if it can fill, it is even good. Let me draw a fib level to see what will be the next likely stop point if the market was continuing to go down. So it looks like 272 or 50-day moving average is where it is heading if gold continues to drop, which could very well possible if the market does not correct. Remember, gold is for trading only for the Westerners. For people in India and Pakistan, gold is an asset to buy, hold, get it for weddings. So there is a lots and lots of demand for gold. I know that people in India who have their daughters and they want to get married are struggling at the gold prices. Now let me get to the bigger picture. I'll go to the weekly chart, and this is a 10-year, let me put 10-year weekly chart, and let me draw a fib extension to see what will be the likely price points that can go next. Not here, sorry. So the next likely price point is $308. So that is where it's a weekly chart, so it'll take a while to get there, but I think that is what the gold chart from a technical perspective is saying. So to summarize, in the short term, you can expect it to go to 272 or even 263, 255, etc. And that will bring up a flurry of buyers from India and other places. And eventually, the gold is getting above, right now it's 279. I think all-time high is 289, but I think it's likely to go to 303, I'm guessing, within this year. Trading is a difficult pursuit. If anyone says trading is easy or making money in stock market is easy, be wary of them. It is a skill set that needs to be learned and acquired, and In that pursuit, I have created a web-based training program that you can learn at your own pace, and I promise you will find them useful. Every tool that I have learned and how to apply, when to use, etc., you can learn from that. I know how difficult it is to just be unguided in this stock market. Just check it out. If it is not for you, you can always avail the money back guarantee, and it's not even that expensive. Thank you.